Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly fine-tune these type of tuners on your guitar and ukulele. Coming up. Alright guys, so you may have come across a guitar or an ukulele with these type of tuners. Now, these type of tuners tend to have an issue, and that issue is that they sometimes become loose and cannot hold a tune. For example, in this case, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. So keep in mind, you don't want to over tighten them and you don't want to keep them too loose either. So you have to find that sweet spot where it's not too tight, not too loose. Alright, so now that it's tuned, let's test it out. Alright guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and informative. Don't forget to hit like, and if you're new here, subscribe and rock that notification bell to be up to date on future videos on gear, music lessons, guitar blogs, and more. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.